So if you want to use remove.bg on PC in 2026, yeah, it's actually the easiest way to get clean background removals with full control and better quality. First, open your browser on your PC and go to remove.bg. It works directly online, no installation needed. Now click Upload Image or drag and drop your file directly into the browser window. Next, wait a few seconds while the tool automatically removes the background using AI. Now zoom in and check details like edges, hair, or product outlines to make sure everything looks clean. If something looks off, click Edit and use the Erase or Restore tool to fix edges manually. Next, you can add a solid color, gradient, or upload your own background image for a custom look. Now click Download and save your image in high quality PNG format directly to your PC. Finally, you can use your cutout image for YouTube, thumbnails, product listings, social media, or design work. And that's it. Using remove.bg on PC gives you fast, clean, and professional background removal in just a few clicks.